Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 27th, 2020. In this additional, we have two Sudokus to solve a binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle. We will continue with the binary puzzle. I'm very impressed and with the previous three Sudokus. Yeah, took me 1 hour to solve it, so I hope the next two Sudokus will be quicker. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 O's and 4 ones in a row or in a column. So let's get started. Alright, we have a double O here. Here one, there one. Here double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, wait. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. And then I cannot continue. 1, 2, 3. Nope. I need to compare now. Can you see this column and that column? O O 1 1 1 1 O O O O 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. Here an O. This should be a 1. Okay. And now this row and that row. 1 1 1 O O 1 1 O O empty box O O 1 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then, do I need to compare again? Unbelievable. Oh, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Okay, and now? 1, 2, 3. 1. No, this one I cannot compare. Can I compare? This one I cannot compare. Between two O's comes an 1. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. The rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. These two, or those 2 rows. Yes, I need to compare with this second column and the 5th column. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. Need to switch those two numbers. We have an O here, this should be an 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. A great binary puzzle you need to compare in this one. So, do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the last tectonic puzzle, aka Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.